There are so many stories in Mahabharata that often go unnoticed, but they could have had a huge impact if they would have not happened. One such story is the story of five arrows. The five arrows were strong enough to kill five Pandavas and end the war in a jiffy. The arrows made by the life force of Bhishma. Listen to the exact story of the five arrows. After a few days of the war, Duryodhan was so upset with Bhishma that he thought Bhishma was not giving his heart and soul to the war. He thought that Bhishma actually sided with Pandavas but fighting with Kauravas just for the promise he made to protect Hastinapur. Duryodhan went ahead and confronted Bhishma. An upset Bhishma could not say anything but took five arrows from his quiver, meditated for a while, and put his life force in those five arrows. Bhishma then gave it to Duryodhan, saying that these arrows are powerful enough to kill all the Pandavas. They would never fail because he has put his years of penance and life force in those five arrows. This would end them, and you would win the war just by striking them with these arrows. Duryodhan happily accepted the arrows and thought that he would easily win the war with his ultimate weapon. He was excited to try it out the next day. Bhishma asked him to return the five arrows and take them again tomorrow. Duryodhan thought that Bhishma could easily betray him and hand them over or destroy the arrows in a state of righteousness. Duryodhan was stubborn and he would not let the arrows go to Bhishma. Bhishma let it be and let him have those arrows and went to sleep. Meanwhile, Lord Krishna received the news of these five arrows from his spies. He quickly made a plan and called Arjun and instructed him. Arjun then went to Duryodhan in stealth. Duryodhan was shocked to see him and was ready to attack the intruder, but then he realized it was Arjun and knew that Arjun was a man of his word and would never attack from the back. Arjun asked for a boon. Actually, Arjun was the person who had rescued Duryodhan from the hands of Gandharva soldiers who had captured Duryodhan. Duryodhan could not do anything and Arjun had helped him out. He had then told Arjun that he can ask for anything or any boon from him. Arjun had not asked him any boon until this moment, and he asked for the five arrows. Duryodhan was a true warrior who never broke a promise and reluctantly gave them away to Arjun. As Arjun left, Duryodhan rushed to Bhishma and requested him to make another set of five arrows for him. Bhishma said that he had put years of penance and his life force in those arrows, and it is impossible for him to make it again. However, he promised Duryodhan that he would fight with his full heart and soul in the Kurukshetra war.